Okay, sander, round head on this. You can readily detach that and use it with a rigid handle instead. But this, great for working on walls. You can use it on floors. Very versatile and makes reaching high spots on walls very easy. And you can work it across the surface. And it's a nice, good, rigid fiberglass pole. So no problems with that at all. Okay. This is a hand sander, although it could be used on a pole as well. It's basically hook and loop fixings, and you can either use it with a soft foam pad underneath, or you can use it without. Very easy to apply. There we go. Sandpaper, again, hook and loop, straight on. And it's ideal for doing edges and corners. So it's very versatile and easy to use. And it's a good grip. It's comfortable to hold and use. So yeah, very good.